Hi, I'm Jan Demas, and today I'd like to encourage you with some good news. You know you're not alone in your desire to improve your life through a new and better career. That's a common desire. But I'm here to tell you that you're different because today, unlike most people, you're pursuing the things you'll need to help you fulfill your goals and dreams. And Real Estate Express is here to make sure you quickly reach your goal of becoming a licensed real estate agent or broker, just like we have for hundreds of thousands of people like you over the last 15 years. So how would you like to improve your life? Are you looking for a better source of income and a career you enjoy? Would you like more time with your family and friends? How about extra cash so you can travel, buy a new home, a new car, or simply pay off some bills? Would you like a more flexible schedule and the ability to work from home? A career in real estate can help you achieve all this and more. And with our help, you'll have your real estate license in less than a month in most cases. And the cost? It's a fraction of what you'd pay for just about any other career training available today. When you consider how fast you can get started, the low cost of becoming licensed, and the incredible opportunities that await you, real estate is an exciting career choice that just makes sense today. At Real Estate Express, we make the process of obtaining your real estate license fast and easy. We were the first school in the country to offer 100% online real estate license training, and our pedigree and experience and training system have earned us the title of America's favorite real estate school. Visit realestateexpress.com, and when you enroll, you'll receive the classic business ebook, Rules for Making Money by P.T. Barnum, absolutely free. Just use the promo code we'll show you at the end of this video when you enroll. In the next video in this 5-part series, we're going to show you how to change your life in less than 3 weeks. I'll see you then.